It's Sakura season in Japan and the trees are full of pink flowers. And now you will understand why I am telling you this. Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. As you can see, I'm not at home. I'm in Yokohama, Japan. So today I cannot cook, but I will show you what to eat and what not to eat on a ketogenic diet. This is a video that many of you ask for and I hope it will be useful. After the foods, the keto and not keto food, we will go together to visit this beautiful city. I love flowers and I have to admit that the poetic way of showing flowers that Japanese people have is really touching for me. What do you think about it? Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. The main rules of a ketogenic diet are very easy. I don't like maths, so I don't count calories, I don't measure the weight of what I eat, and I've been on keto for more than 7 years. I love you and I know all your colors, and I guess because of that I can think of no others. On keto, you should eat fish, meat, eggs, cheese, and green veggies as much as you want, and then you should avoid as much as possible sugar and carbohydrates. So I highly recommend to read the label of what you eat, because it will be easy to choose also the brand with the lowest carb. If you don't eat as much sugar as we were used to, you will use fat as your new source of energy. But now let's go into details with this list of foods. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Number 1, meat. You can eat any kind of animal, and if there are fat parts, those are very good. On a ketogenic diet, there is an hyperlipidic diet, so we are supposed to eat a lot of fat. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line. Number 2, fish. Any kind of fish. I highly recommend, for the same reason, because it's really fat, to eat also the skin. Usually the part between the skin and the fish is full of fat and it's delicious. You can also add some sauce. It's great to add melted butter on any kind of sauce that is high fat. Then eggs, you can cook them in any way you like, and they are always very keto, so don't worry about your breakfast. Can we work it? Then veggies is really easy to choose ketogenic veggies because they grow above ground and they are green. The color is really important. If you can choose, you always have to choose the green ones, so you will be sure that they are also keto. And remember to add fat. So olive oil, it's great, 100% fat. But I know while you floss, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Then cheese. Cheese is a little bit controversial because not all people want to eat it, but it's really keto because it's high fat and low carbs. Just me, I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. In cured cheese like Parmesan, you will find 0 carbs and a lot of fat. So maybe you think they are not good for your health, maybe you don't like it, maybe you are lactose intolerant, but they are truly ketogenic, so you will find cheese in a lot of my recipes. Only time will tell. I still want all of you and I know all your colors. Then fruits. Fruit is not allowed on a ketogenic diet because it has a lot of sugar, fructose, but you can eat a little bit of berries, not too many, and some nuts. So be careful with the nuts because, for example, pistachios and cashew, they have too many carbs. So choose the rest of nuts. The last tip is to add fat. I know we all have been scared by fat, but butter, olive oil, sauces and any kind of fat are good on keto. And the symbol of keto is an avocado that is truly fat. So don't worry about it. These tips are taken from the website of Diet Doctor. Diet Doctor is a Swedish medical doctor specialized in very low carb and high fat diets. He is well known all over the world, and I have to thank him because when we started to eat like this, I started following his suggestion and he really helped us a lot. Can we work it? It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I didn't talk a lot about what not to eat on a ketogenic diet, but we have quite a lot of things. We cannot eat a lot of carbs and sugar, as I told you, so no fruit, no sweets, no pasta, no rice, no pizza, no legumes, no potatoes, and always read the label so you will find if that food is high carbs and you should avoid it. It's truly easy. When you get used to it, fish, meat, eggs, real food, they are tastier. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. I really hope you liked today's video and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another ketogenic video in English, but also on Wednesday at the same time with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. But now let's go together to visit Yokohama, Japan. Just me, I'm feeling something. Yokohama is the second largest city in Japan after Tokyo. It has almost 4 million people, while Tokyo has almost 14 million. So they are very big and they are really very near. As you can see from my video, there is a bay, and the skyscraper that you see to the other side, it's already Tokyo, so they are close by. It's a very important port, Yokohama, and as you can see, is very modern and super clean. All these elegant people that you see from my video are students because it was the graduation ceremony. So they came here just in front of the theater and they were dressed like that with the kimono, all the girls, and very elegant all the guys. It was truly amazing to watch. We were in lockdown in our hotel and that was the view, so we had the opportunity to watch it for 3 full days while we were on a mandatory quarantine. So can we work it out? Anyway, going out has been even more fun because the weather was beautiful. This is the sakura season, as you have seen at the beginning of the video, with the pink flowers, the cherry blossom, and it was beautiful. Japanese really adore those trees full of flowers. I love them too, so it was the perfect season. We have also been to this amusement park that is typical in Yokohama, really downtown, with a panoramic wheel, and it was fun. So I really enjoyed